Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit Hemant Shinde, final year student of Mechanical Diploma from Zeal Polytechnic College.
Now we are going to present our project on passenger comfort and safety functions or features. Our project group members are Jaideep Jainder Kumbhar, Pawan Kumar Sandeep More, Shubham Chandrakant Waje. This project we have done under the guidance Professor Ravi Enkar sir. Introduction. Automotive safety technology has upgraded year by year, but our first priority is safety of passenger. There is some requirement of safety, energy dissipation design, safety cages, airbags, smart dash and all. Airbag is the most important part of safety. Airbags are triggered by a sensor mounted at the front of the car that detect when a vehicle hitting a solid object at a speed of more than 25 km per hour. Anti-lock braking system is to prevent the vehicle from locking under the hard braking and allows to driver to return control even a panic braking scenario and maintain contact with the road surface. Traction control system. Traction control system is prevent when trying to accelerate up a slippery hills. These features provides a lot of benefits to drivers from making driving smoother to helping them stay in a control of the car on muddy roads or during rainy weather. Electronic Stability Program ESP is a prevent a vehicle from skidding and the driver losing control of his vehicle when turning corner, braking sharply or making sudden maneuver. ESP technology automatically activates the brakes to help to steer the vehicle in the right direction. Tire pressure monitoring system TPMS are a way of warning a driver that a tire is incorrectly inflated, which will decrease the safety and performance of a vehicle and increase the risk of an accident. It is difficult to spot an under the inflated tire visually, especially without a fully inflated tire as compression. Collision warning system monitor a speed of vehicle in front of it and the distance between the vehicle so that it can be provides a warning and also applying automatic brake to drive if the vehicle get too close, potentially helping to avoid crash. In this picture we are shown the which quality material is used in a car body frame. We are not present all features and functions in this project, but some features are like that: seat belts, parking sensor, night vision assist. These also important parts of passenger safety. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.